An exponential equation is an equation where the variable is in the exponent. For example, 2 to the power of x equals 8. In the previous video, we solved this equation by rewriting 8 as 2 to the power of 3, then setting the exponents equal to each other since we have the same base 2 on both sides. So we get x equals 3. Now what if we have a problem like 2 to the power of x equals 11? You'll quickly realize that we cannot rewrite 11 using basing 2 like we did with the 8 in the previous example. The best approach to solve this problem is to take log of both sides. Now, one of the laws of logarithms allows us to bring the exponent to the front. So we end up with x log 2 equals log 11. To solve for x, we divide both sides by log 2. We can use our calculator to evaluate log 11 divided by log 2 to get our solution x equals 3.459 to 3 decimal places, which means that 2 to the power of 3.459 is equal to 11. Let's try another problem. Notice again that the bases are different and cannot be rewritten to a common one. So just like before, we take the log of both sides. The laws of logarithms permit us to bring the exponents to the front. Each exponent has 2 terms, so we put them in brackets. Now expand the brackets on the left. Log 3 times 2x is 2x log 3, while log 3 times minus 1 is minus log 3. Now expand the brackets on the right. Log 2 times x is x log 2, while log 2 times 3 is 3 log 2. Now group all the terms with x on the left-hand side to get 2x log 3 minus x log 2. On the right, we are left with 3 log 2 plus log 3. Now factor x from each term on the left to get x into 2 log 3 minus log 2. To solve for x, we divide both sides by the terms in the bracket to cancel them. Use your calculator to evaluate the values on the right-hand side. So our solution is x equals 2.113. Let's do one final question. Again, we take the log of both sides. On the left, we apply the rule. Log AB equals log A plus log B. Think of the term with base 4 as A and the term with base 3 as B. This means that we can separate the term with base 4 from the term with base 3 by adding the log of each. Apply another rule in logarithm and put the exponents to the front. Make sure the exponents that have more than one term are in brackets. Now expand the brackets. On the left, log 4 times x is x log 4, while log 4 times 2 is 2 log 4. Put back the x log 3. Now on the right, log 5 times 2x is 2x log 5, while log 5 times 1 gives us back log 5. Now group all the terms in x on the left-hand side and group everything else on the right. Now factor x from each term on the left. To solve for x, divide both sides by the terms in the brackets to cancel them. Use your calculator to evaluate the right-hand side to get x equals 1.585. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so that you can be notified on new uploads. See you soon.